Let's know what is STA and VLSI design. STA, static timing analysis, are used to validate timing checks, example setup, hold, recovery, removal, and DRVs for all possible design paths. It utilizes path delays from the SDF, standard delay format. This considers different timing scenarios such as single, BCWC, OCV, PBA/GBA, with or without CRPR and SI/non-SI, and with or without CCD. The timing constraints are defined by the SDC, Synopsys Design Constraints, file. It accounts for design margins such as derates, uncertainty sigma, and path margins. Interested in a VLSI career? Reach out to us. www.semicontex.com. Write to us at info@semicontex.com or call 91-7624-997721 or 91-87123-03410. Thank you for watching.